Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share a powerful online tool that makes removing backgrounds from images easier than ever without spending time in Photoshop or Illustrator. So, let's dive right into its awesome features and how you can use it. At first, you need to open your browser and type Remove.bg. Then their website will be open. Then there you can see the upload image button. You can do either drag or drop it or click on upload image. So I will go with upload image. Then you need to select your image, which one you want to edit. Within a second, the tool will automatically remove the background. Now you can download your newly edited image and you are good to go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for awesome content. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.